Okay, yeah. Thank you. This is with the N1 controller? Yeah. Okay. Now we have to decide if we take this or the DJI Flip. So guys, we're almost at the DJI store. This place looks more beautiful in the evening as well. Around $120, but I think so guys, we will also check the Samsung store, the Samsung flagship store, I think, in this mall, and see if we have something which might be useful for us. Yeah, Samsung. So guys, at Samsung store, it's not really yeah, could not really find anything what I was looking for, but I am at the DJI one now. Yeah, I don't know if the same guy's there, but let's see. We are at the DJI one, and yeah. Oh yeah, Flip. And guys, we already have the Flip. We saw the Flip yesterday, so we are going to check out if they have Mini 4K, and we're gonna decide between them. So guys, we found the Mini 4K in the store, and this is the Mini 4K, right? So this is with the N1 controller? Yeah. Okay. Now we have to decide if we take this or the DJI Flip. So guys, I can buy the DJI Flip, but I think I'm gonna buy a beginner drone. And the thing with DJI Mini 4K, I know that Flip has launched yesterday or day before yesterday. It's not that expensive, but I think it's too big, and I am from India, and I think it can be a trouble in customs. So I think the Mini 4K is much more smaller and easier to carry, and also it's much more, I will not say it's very cheap. Like this is going to be around like $300-400, and that is going to be around $250. So it's a matter of like say $100 or $150. I think more or less $100 or 10,000 rupees in it. I think I'm going to go with the DJI Mini 4K, just for the fact that it might be easier to carry, and you know, I don't want to overspend in a drone which I might use or not use a lot. So it really depends on the use. So yeah, let's see which one I'm gonna buy. But it was so cool that he showed me the follow me feature, and I think it has 4K 60, and I don't think Mini 4K has 4K at 60. It has at 4K at 30. So let's see. Yeah. Wow, guys, we're gonna fly the Mini 4 Pro. Yeah, guys, they don't know a lot of English, but I'm in Korea, I should know Korean, so it's fine. They are trying to help as much as they can. So thumbs up to Korea, and like, let's see. The quality, right? Impressive. Let's see the video. So guys, I've got my first drone, and I think I'm right. I will take the Mini 4K, because I'm a bit sad I cannot take the Flip because it's a new product. Like this is a new product. But I think I'm happy. I don't have much to ask for. So yeah. We had the phone already, so I don't think I will need a much more cumbersome setup. So it's just my hobbies I'm doing. I'm fairly old, so I just want to get it out of the way before I stop being whatever youth I have left with me. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So guys, I got it tax-free. I don't need to know airport, right?
Don't have.
Okay, no, not at airport. So yeah, we have bought it from the Hyundai official DJI store. I checked it. Maybe there is an official store, but I don't know about it. Like, I checked it in Lotte World. I think it's the same. DJI does not have like an Apple kind of store. If it does, it's the same experience. It's not bad. Yeah, so we have the product. I have the drone with me, and yeah, I think we should open it here. We have the DJI Mini, and I think we will open it here, and we will see how it is. And yeah, we will fly it and maybe learn a bit how it's flown. So yeah, stay tuned, and I'm sure if you like the journey, please consider